Foreign vacation, still a dream. Moms, tell me honestly, how many times have you scrolled through Instagram or seen your friends' photos of foreign vacations and thought, one day I'll take my kids there? But somehow that one day never comes. Dreamed vacation stays a dream, while daily expenses, EMIs, and endless responsibilities eat up your time and money. Today, let's talk about why this happens and more importantly, how you can finally make it happen, right? And watch till the end because I'm going to give you 7 days saving challenge that will help you with your foreign vacation dream. Now, let's dig it. The real problem, I'll tell you the problem. It is not that foreign vacations are too expensive. The real problem is how we moms are taught to handle money and time. So we cut corners on small things, right? Bargain with the sabzi wala. We reuse every old plastic container. But when it comes to big dreams, we never create a system for them, right? It is like cooking daily meals without ever stocking ingredients for a feast. And of course, when the time comes, you feel unprepared, right? Year after year, the vacation becomes like that sari kept in the cupboard for a special occasion, right? And that never arrives. So let me tell you, think of your money like a bucket. Most moms pour into it faithfully salary, savings, little sacrifices. That is all fine. But the bucket has leaks, impulsive purchases, gifts bought out of guilt, money lying idle in a savings account, earning almost nothing, right? So, no matter how much you pour, the bucket never fills enough for that foreign trip. And unless you fix the leaks, no amount of effort will get you to that dream. Now, how to change it? I'll give you 3 steps. Step 1, create a dream fund. Open a separate account or envelope just for your vacation. Even 500 rupees a week adds up when it's protected from everyday spending, right? And show your kids the jar or account. It teaches them planning, not just wishing. Step 2, automate growth. Instead of waiting for a windfall, invest a small SIP dedicated to your dream. Money grows silently while you live your busy life, right? And it is like planting a sapling today that becomes shade for your family trip tomorrow. Step 3, redefine priorities. Stop treating vacations as luxuries. They are investments in family memories, right? In experiences your children will never forget. So cut one unnecessary subscription or redirect that money into your dream fund. So you'll be surprised how quickly it grows. Now let's move on to the saving tips. I want you to treat this as a 7 day saving challenge and add the saved amount to your foreign vacation dream jar. Okay. So day by, carry your own water bottle or coffee flask and save some amount. Day 2, cook one extra meal at home this week and save amount. Day 3, use cash or UPI only for planned buys and stop one impulse buy. Day 4, compare mobile or data or TV plans. Possibly you can save some amount there. Day 5, walk or auto share for short errands. Okay. And day 6, declutter fridge. Plan 2 meals with what is inside. That's enough. Okay. That will also save some money. Day 7, delay one online cart purchase by 24 hours. And believe me, items will drop off automatically. Moms, a foreign vacation is not just about travel, it is about freedom. It is about showing your children the world and proving to yourself that dreams don't have to stay dreams. The only difference between moms who travel and moms who only wish is a system. And inside my Millionaire Mom program, I help moms build systems that turn dreams into reality, whether it's a vacation, an education fund, or financial freedom. So stop saying one day, okay? Start planning today because your kids deserve memories, not excuses.